Hello my lovelies, this is an impromptu declutter mainly because of these powders. I've had to put primers over here in my glowy products and it's just so unnecessary, so we're going to go through it all. For foundations and skin tints, some of them are way too dark, so we're going to declutter them. I'm only going to obviously keep the ones that look good on my skin, so I don't know how many we're going to be able to declutter. It's a hot mess. I don't know how many's here, but it's a hot mess. I do know that I really like this one though. So it's a NYX Professional Makeup Glazed Soft Glow Skin Tint. This one is in Whipped Butter. It's the lighter shade 01. So we're keeping that. We're also keeping the Maybelline. What shade is this? Oh, 090, I believe that's a lighter shade as well, so I'm keeping that one. The Revolution, and so now I didn't like this on first impressions, but my friend Lisa says that she loves it, so I just want to give it a few more tries. This could get decluttered in the next round, so we're keeping that. The shade is F1. Also this, I feel like I need to give a few more tries before I declutter it. So it's the Maybelline Plump and Glow in the shade 102. I think I want to try this as well one more time. The Rimmel Lasting Finish. What shade is it? It's really hard to see when I'm obviously... Oh, porcelain, light porcelain. I'm definitely getting rid of this one. You can see it's way too dark. Considering the other shades that I've showed you, it's the Essence Hydro Hero. Doesn't matter what shade it is, it's natural ivory. I'm not natural ivory or ivory, it's just too dark. This is fairly new to the collection. I think it's the newest one in my collection. So the Revolution Super Dewy Skin Tint is staying. I got that in PI. I do like this one, I've just not used it. So collection Lasting Perfection, we're keeping this for the time being anyway. I don't know about this. When I first tried it, I thought it was too dark, but Calico is definitely my shade. I've only tried it once or twice, so I do feel like I need to try it a little bit more than that before I declutter it. I really love this one, the Misha Perfect Cover BB Cream. I think it needs to go in a project pan, so that's staying. I think most of them are staying, you know. The Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. It should work with my skin tone. Already though, you can see, well, I don't know if you can actually, they all look pretty much the same shade. I'm sure I've got some in here that just look way too dark for porcelain. This one's in Project Pan, yeah. PS My Perfect Colour, so that's staying because I want to finish that up. We've got the PS My Perfect Colour in porcelain, that'll stay. We've got the Collection Hydra Serum. I think this is porcelain or a shade like it. Extra fair, so that'll stay. I really like this one. The Collection Sticker Foundation Soothing. So I've got two of them, so they're definitely going to stay. This one can go. I don't really like it. I don't like the dropper, so that one can go. This number 7 one can go. It's way too dark. You can see it's way too dark. So that one can go. That one claims it's porcelain. It's so not porcelain. It's just not. Ulta Beauty, I've had this a while, like I've had it at least 2 years. That can go. I'm trying not to put stuff on my skin that's gonna, you know, really irritate it, because I'm having a lot of skin problems at the moment. We've got the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation, I'll keep that. The Vitamin Baby I want to try at least one more time by the Beauty Crop. See, I've had to put primers in here. What's this? Oh, it's facial hair removal cream. I don't use it. That can go. Right, this can go. It's years old at this point. It's the CoverGirl 510 Porcelain. My friend Naomi got me that, so that can definitely go. PS My Perfect Glow Flawless Glow. We'll keep that, but it's supposed to be over here. It's supposed to be in my glowy products. So let's just put that over there. And this is not that old, this Blair Foundation by Primark, so we're definitely keeping that. So we're keeping more than I'm decluttering. Oh, there's this one as well by Uma Beauty. yeah, I want to try this one again. So there's a lot here that I want to try. Excuse all the sponges. We've got some concealers in here. Not many. I don't have many concealers. So we've got the Maybelline Lifter. What I do with concealers is I go through them oldest to newest and I project pan them. At the moment I'm project panning the 17 one. My friend Frances from Happiness Sparkles, I don't know if she does YouTube videos anymore though, so she got me this Quo Beauty one. I want to use that up, and this is another 17 concealer. It's a backup of the one that I've got, so realistically there's only those two. I know I love this one, and after those two I'll probably always just buy this. This one will probably be in rotation. So I'm gonna clean it up a bit and put all the products back, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I've actually got that Maybelline Fit Me one as well. The Quo Beauty is definitely the oldest, so that will be going into rotation the next time around once I've finished the 17. What I should do is just organise them in the way that I want to use them. So that'll go before that. Yeah, I think that's right now. Let's turn this Quo Beauty one around so you can see it. Right, and now I'm going to put foundations back. It's getting a bit dark now. It's getting on for time. I'm going to put my external light on. So this is the way I think I want to use them. I mean, there's two layers here, so let me show you. So can you see how the two layers there? So we'll go for the bottom layer first and the top layer, because the top layer is the newest, I think. So yeah, that's all the foundations. 5 foundations have gone, and this hair removal cream. What I've got left, I don't know, is probably at least 20, 15, 20. I'm not counting them. I just thought I would do this impromptu foundation declutter. I'm hoping that when I get to powders I'll be able to declutter a lot, because how many powders does a girl need, really? Honestly, it's gonna be a mess now, because I'm putting these like little powder puffs I've got, because I don't have room for everything. That's another thing that really irritates me. I don't have room for anything. I'm not a IKEA Alex kind of girl, you know. I've got my own setup going. Not only that, I probably wouldn't know how to put it together. I know you can go on Facebook Marketplace and obviously get them already pre-made, but then it's collecting it. Who would I get to collect it, because I don't drive? So going off on a tangent now, that looks dirty, so that one's being thrown out. This one's not too bad. Yeah, I throw that out as well. So those 2 sponges are going, but I want to keep these for powder. I think I'll go through powder.